Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download and install Breaking News app. So about Breaking News app, it combines hundreds of trusted sources to provide the best content as fast as possible. You can even follow news through your favorite topics. So that's amazing, guys. Even the artificial intelligence algorithm helps to find out thousands of articles every day in order to find out that are the most relevant and fun to read. So guys, if you are fascinated by this particular app and want to install it right away, then you are on the right place. To enter in the world of News Break app, let's learn how to install it first. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, to install Breaking News app, first of all, tap on Play Store. After tapping on Play Store, go to the search box and search for Breaking News. After you are done searching for Breaking News, then you will land onto a page where it will provide a green button of install. So tap the green button of install on the top right corner. Now you are almost done here. You just have to wait for it to get installed. So it was so quick, guys. We have already installed Breaking News application on our mobile phone. So now you just have to tap on open to use it. So yeah, this is how we can easily install Newsbreak app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.